In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Apple Music not playing songs, and this is going to be step-by-step solutions to get your music playing again. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection, try switching between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data, or even restart your router. The second thing you want to do is go to apple.com/support/system status just to check if the server is up and running. If not, you might need to simply wait for the maintenance. The other thing you want to do is go to your general settings, cellular and low data mode. Simply go ahead and make sure that low data is turned off. Also in settings, make sure that your date and time is set to automatically, because sometimes incorrect date or time settings can cause playback issues. If that doesn't work, simply try signing back out and back in, or even disable VPNs or proxies if you have turned them on. If none of it works, you might need to either check restriction settings by going to screen time, content and privacy and allowed apps, or you might need to simply offload the application or even update your iOS. If none of it works, simply contact their support team, which is this website here. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.